Chapter 4, Interior of the Earth. Introduction. Man has acquired sufficient knowledge about the exterior of the Earth and all the elements on the surface of the Earth. This was possible through observation and experimentation. At the same time, man's knowledge about the interior of the Earth is very limited because direct observation of the interior of the Earth is not possible. Whatever information we have about the interior of the Earth is a result of the studies conducted on earthquakes and the lava that comes out of volcanoes. Besides these, studies related to temperature and gravitational force also have helped us to get some more information about the interior of the Earth. The interior of the Earth is divided into three parts. They are the crust, the mantle, and the core. This classification is based on the characteristics of the materials found from the surface to the center of the Earth. The outermost layer consists of solid rocks. It is called the crust. The division below the crust is called the mantle. The crust and a portion of the mantle adjacent to it are together called the lithosphere. The lithosphere is about 100 kilometers thick. The division below mantle is called the core. The crust. The average thickness of the crust is 30 kilometers. The thickness varies from place to place. It is about 40 kilometers under the continents and 8 kilometers below the oceans. In the high mountainous regions like the Himalayas, it is about 70 kilometers. The crust is divided into two parts, the Sial and Sima. Sial, the upper portion of the crust, is called Sial. The rocks in this layer contain more of silica and aluminium. All these elements are lighter in weight. They are found in the upper layer of the crust. Most of the continents are formed out of Sial. Sima. The layer below Sial is called Sima. The rocks in this layer consist of the compounds of silica and magnesium. This layer is heavier than Sial. Most of the ocean floors are formed out of this layer. The mantle. The layer below the crust is called the mantle. The thickness of this layer is about 2,870 kilometers. It consists of the compounds of iron and magnesium. The rocks in the upper 100 to 200 kilometers of the mantle melt due to heat. This molten rock is called magma. There are magma chambers in this part. When the magma reaches the surface through volcanic activity, it is called lava. The core. The core lies below the mantle. Its thickness is about 3,471 kilometers. It is subdivided into two